Hello everyone, I'm Venuko Fernando-Pulle. In this video, I'm going to show everyone the web app that I have built for the final project of the CS50 course. So let me give you a brief introduction about the app. So the name of the app is Churchify. And the main purpose of this app is to display important information regarding the churches and the events organized by those churches which are registered on the Churchify app. This app could be used by three parties of people: the priest, the public, and the committee members. The public is regarded to as any person who is interested about the information about the churches. And the committee members are the high officials who engage in higher management such as priest and church registration. So let's go to our web app and let's get a deeper understanding about what just I said. So let me type in the command flask run in the terminal. I hit the enter button and there's a link, and if we click on the link it will lead us to the home page of our web app. So as you could see, this is the home page of my web app, and I have used several things to make it look good. This is the home page, and I have divided the home page into different sections. You could see here, and there's a login portal in here. This section is exclusively for the committee members and the priests. Let's go to the home page by clicking this button, use the mode button, and first we could go to this mass time section. So in this section it shows information about the masses which are held in the churches. So you could see when I hover on top of these cards, it shows some information. So the information is about the most recent mass that has been added to a system by a priest under this category. So under each category there is a recent mass shown in each card. So if we click the view schedule button, it will lead us to another page where we could see all the information about masses: the language, the type, the priest who are conducting it, the description about the mass, and the date time. So we could use this sorting option to filter out the results that we need. If we choose the language as English and click search button, we will see that all the masses which are held in English language are shown in here. That's it in the section. So if we go to the next section, the churches, in here you could see some of the most renowned churches which are located in Sri Lanka. If we click the view more button, it will lead us to another page which shows all the information about the churches, as you could see here. And in here also, as we saw earlier, there's a filtering option which could be used. In front of each church there is a mass times button. If we click this button, it will lead us to another page and show the information about all the masses which are held in this church. So if we, for instance, click the mass times for this church, it will lead us to this mass times page, and it will show the mass held in this church. It will show all the masses, but there's only one mass under this church. So let's go to the Sunday school section, and in here it shows the all information about the Sunday schools organized by those churches. As you could see here are some of the classes, and in each row there is the details button. If we click the details button, you could see it shows the information about the teacher who conduct the class. So if you want to, we could contact him and ask for the information. So at last there's about us section, it shows information about me, about this app, about the functionalities of this app. And after that we could go to the contacts section, and yeah, here it is. You could send your feedback, your complaints, your ideas, anything to me through this portal. And so let's try out. Let's think. Your name is this, and your email is this. So your message is app is okay. So if I click the send button, it will send that message to me. So let's check in our email if it has arrived. Yeah, the message has arrived, as you would see. So that's it for the home page. And if you go to the login portal, you could log in as a committee member or as a priest. So if we log in as a committee member first, so this is the account for the committee member that I created earlier. I could click login, and you could see there are two sections for them. This is the managing portal, this is the main portal for the committee members. They could do the registrations here. They could register a priest, a church. When registering a priest, they could insert all sort of this information, picture, the last name, password, everything could be done here. They could do all the registration here, and they could even register a church, because by now I have not registered all the churches which are in Sri Lanka. So if there's a church that need to be registered, it could be done using this form. This is the priest assignment section. You know, a priest won't work in the same church forever, so they will be assigned to another churches after their service period is over. If we want to change the church of this person, we could go to this assign button. We could click this assign button, and we could choose the church we want him to go, like church 34. And this is the information about that particular church. So if we click the save changes, it will update the information successfully. So yeah, that's it about it. So we would log out, and let's log in as a priest. So this is the account that I created earlier for the priest. I'm going to enter the password. I could log in. Yeah, I have to update it. So I forgot to show you something. This thing, you could use this forget password option if you accidentally forget your password. In this page you have to enter the information that you used when registering as a priest. So I will enter the information that I entered when registering. These are the information that I entered. So if we click the reset button, it will show this message: a token was sent to your email account. Let's go to our email and see if email has arrived. We could click on this link to change our password. Yeah, his new page. We must enter a token. We could go to our email again and copy this token, and go to our page and paste it here. and we could enter a new password in here. A new password and the confirm password. Yeah, we click the reset button and here we are. So let's try the new password in here. Yeah, if we click the login button, yeah, things have been updated. So this is the managing portal for the priests. They could manage churches, their masses and their Sunday schools. Here are the different links we could use, the navigation things. We could log out and go to the home page if I want to. So first go to the managing mass section. You could add the mass here. Let's just add a random mass. We could select a language and a type, description, a random text. Yeah, I have submitted and yeah, it had been added in here. If you want to, this is the edit mask section, as you could see in here. So if you want, we could delete a mask and we could edit information in this. We could see that in this mask it is about, time is 2014. We could edit that time 1614. We could edit the type of the mask. So if we click the save changes, it will update those things successfully. Yeah, I think it is this. Let's go to the church section. So this is the church managing portal, and in this, if you go to this section, the priest could view all the churches which are registered in our system and get a good idea about the churches, and all of the information is displayed in here. And if we go to the view your churches section, it will show the church you are assigned to, the church you are currently assigned to, and the churches you are visiting. Like for example, if you take this card, it will show you the church you are visiting, which city is located, and for what purpose you are visiting that church, on what date. Like that, everything is shown in those cards. That's it for this. And if you go to the Sunday school section, you could manage teachers, you could manage classes, and actually you could add a teacher if you want to. You are adding a teacher for your church, for the class, for the Sunday school class which is held in your church. So you could add a teacher in here. So let's add the one. I would use a random name, and I see I will use my email. So you could, actually I want to show you something, guys. So I use my email for now, and I will use a random number. Yeah, I have clicked the register button and a new person has been added. Let's quickly go to the email and check whether the email has arrived. Yeah, so this is the email that will arrive if you register as a teacher in the church. So this detailed email will arrive, and yeah, if you want, we could delete the teacher, but I'm not doing it now because I have to add a class. So if you want to add a class, and this class is for the particular church that the priest is assigned into. So as you could see here, the priest is assigned to this church, so the class will be added into this church which is assigned to. I will enter some random information in here. Yeah, this is the teacher we just added. So if you click the submit button, yeah, a class has been added. We could go again to our email and see if the email regarding the class has been added. Yeah, this is the email regarding that class. So all the information is shown in here, and a very detailed email with a lot of information. Things work perfectly fine. The last section is the profile, user profile. Image can be added here. All of your information is shown in here. So we could edit information if you want to, like this, and like this. If you click the save profile button, it will update those things without an error, as you could see. So that's it, guys. That's all about my app. I think you got a good understanding about it. Actually, I just want to show you something very quickly. And if I split this terminal, and I could just type cd and yeah, and I just want to run a different app which is also a part of this app. So I have typed this +run command, and if I click this link, it will lead me to another page. So this is the developer portal, and this is the page where the developer could add the committee members. So I could use this form to add a committee member and edit those people. I could delete them, do all sort of stuff. This could not be accessed by the priest, the public, or the committee members. This is exclusively for the developer. So that's it, guys. That's the other section of my web app. I think you guys got a good idea about my app, and I thank you all for watching this video, and I wish you guys all the best. Happy coding. Thank you.